Ever wondered if that Apple gift card in your wallet could actually boost your Cash App balance? Let's find out if it's possible. First, let's address the core question: can you directly load an Apple gift card onto Cash App? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. Cash App doesn't have a direct feature to redeem Apple gift cards for cash. Apple gift cards are designed to be used within Apple's ecosystem. This means purchases from the Apple Store, App Store like Apple Music, or subscriptions within apps you downloaded from the App Store. They are not intended for use on third-party platforms like Cash App. Okay, so direct transfer is out, but there are a couple of workarounds. One option is to explore websites or apps that allow you to sell your Apple gift card for cash. A quick online search for "sell Apple gift card" will surface several platforms. Be extremely cautious when using these services. Research the platform thoroughly, read reviews, and look for secure payment options. Some sites may offer less than the full face value of the card due to fees or markups. Another potential route is to use the gift card to purchase something for yourself from the Apple Store, then sell the item for cash, and finally deposit that cash into your bank account that is linked to Cash App, although this can take time. So, while you can't directly add an Apple gift card to Cash App, there are roundabout methods to potentially convert it into funds you can use. Just remember to proceed with caution and prioritize your security when exploring these alternative options. Hopefully, this was helpful. And thanks for watching.